Hi, and welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Cassie, and I'm your host, and today I'm going to just make this short video this morning to show you some products that a company sent me, because they wanted to give me free stuff, and I said, well, you know, as much as I like free stuff, I would rather use this to get some stuff for my subscribers. That way I can put them in giveaways, and you can help me sponsor some giveaways. And they're like, that's great. And so I've got some free stuff, but they're for you. Well, okay, there's four things. 3 of them are for you, 1's for me, okay? Because I just had to when I saw it, okay? So anyway, what they sent me were these really cool tote bags. They're big, they're perfect for project bags, and I personally think they're gorgeous. What they do is that they have these pictures, and you can like choose from all of these different pictures that they have, and they print them on the canvas totes, and the canvas totes are big. I'll hold them up just a minute. And they have just about anything you could think of, they have, okay? When I was thinking about it, you know how I am with my giveaways, I like to have a theme. So I was thinking about, like, what kinds of themes could I put? You know, so that's how I picked this out. I was shopping for you guys. So the company is called Wiskf, okay? And if that's supposed to be a word to pronounce, I don't know how to pronounce it, okay? But they were really generous. I'm going to give you a link below, like, if you like these, okay? No pressure, but if you want to purchase some of their things, I have a link below with a 5% off discount code. In addition to those links, I'll also give you links specifically to these particular bags if you want to purchase those specifically. So that said, are you guys ready to see what I picked out for you guys? All right, so here's the first one. Isn't that adorable? It's a couple of llamas here, or alpacas. I think they're llamas. You guys tell me, are they llamas or alpacas? Or are they the same? No, they're not the same. I know they're not the same. But, so we've got a little black one and a little white one, and they've got these, pink, like, I don't know if those are saddles, but they've got the pink blankets on top of them, and you see the moon, and they seem very happy. And I thought that this would go really well in my next giveaway, because, you know, it's kind of dark and gray the way that winter is, but it's always nice to have a special somebody to spend the darkest time of the year with. And that doesn't necessarily have to be a Valentine. Doesn't have to be a sweetheart. Just somebody who you can love, who loves you. Somebody who brings you light into your world when it's so dark. And I thought that this would be perfect for my next giveaway, since it's going to be right after the giveaway I have going on right now. Don't leave. I'll remind you to go check out that giveaway when I get to the end of this video. I want you haven't seen the other bags, okay? So this one I picked out because I thought it would be really good in an April giveaway, because look at all of those flowers. Now I know flowers are for May, but I like to start thinking about flowers in April, because you know what they say about the April showers. Aren't these gorgeous? I just love how pigmented this dye is that they use to print this on. I just think it's great. And again, you know, this is the exact same size. It's got these big black handles here. It's sturdy, and I just think that those colors are beautiful. I mean, they're so vivid. I hope it's coming up on screen just how vivid they are. And if that didn't, I know this next one will. So I don't know if you guys remember, for those of you who've subscribed to me for a while, you probably remember. Those of you who are new, welcome. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for joining me. But for those of you who've been with me for a long time, you might remember like, it was like a makeup bag that I put a set of crochet hooks in, and everybody loved it. It just had this like tree in it and birds sitting in the tree, and then there was like all these different kinds of leaves that were different colors. Well, I found a bag that kind of matches it. It doesn't have the birds, but it has that same energy. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And I thought that this would be really good just right as those leaves are starting to change color as we head into fall. I know that that's a long way off, but hey, I was thinking long term. I was thinking like, what would be the best ones? And I thought, oh, I'd get that same little pouch there and put some crochet hooks in there, a whole set in there. and that way you'd have some that kind of matches, and I thought that would be really great. I thought you guys would love it. So those are the 3 bags. Prince Harry. He's getting in my way. Anyway, those are the 3 bags that I picked up for you. And, you know, I was going to just pick out 4 bags for you because they wanted to give me 4 free ones, but I saw this one and I had to get it for myself, okay? Yeah. So a lot of you guys know that I am a huge reader. I consider myself an avid reader, and since I believe it was like 2006 when I started keeping track, I've read 50 books a year. So I'm challenging myself to read 65 this year, and I love books. I love them so much. And so I had to get this tote because it's just such a Cassie tote, and it's got a lot of kind of fantastical things. It looks like there's some fairies in here and magic castles and just all sorts of stuff like that. And I couldn't stand it. It was too perfect for me. So I had to get this one for me. I hope you guys don't mind. But basically I wanted to show those to you. And I mean, I think it kind of says something about the company that I was going there, you know, thinking about you guys. And then I was all like, but I want one. You know, so, you know, it's got something for everyone. I hope you guys like the ones that I picked out to put in giveaways, and you will see them in giveaways, and I'll mention this company again. Something that I just now thought of to mention about that book. I'm a member of a Book of the Month club, and it's really cool. It's got a lot of really cool books that they put out. I mean, obviously they put out a certain amount of books every month, and you can pick one or you can skip one. And it's reasonably priced. You get these hardback books. They're vetted by, like, hardcore readers like me, you know. I have a link for that, and if you use my link, then I'll get some credits, you know, and, you know, I mean, if you want to, since I have this book tote, I'll go ahead and put that link in there too, in my description. Back to the bags though. They're awesome. I really like them. I hope you did too. Like I said, you will have a link to each one of these bags and a link to the whole site where you can just browse yourself. And again, that 5% discount. So all of that said, I hope you enjoyed joining me for a few minutes this morning to check out these bags that I got for you guys and one for myself. And I will have a couple of stitch tutorials videos coming out for you next. I think if I get it edited in time, I'll put one up tonight and one up tomorrow. Otherwise it'll just be tomorrow and the next day. And also I noticed a lot of people messaged me in between the time that I put up my video for my Gluttony colorway and the time that it actually went live in my Etsy store. And there were so many people asking me, like, where can I purchase it? Come on. That I think that from now on, every time I post my yarn dyeing with Cassie, that's every Thursday, just like my mystery box Mondays, okay? I'm going to just put them in my shop at the same time that I release the video. That way you guys won't have that wait period of time, you know. I thought it might be fun, but it's actually kind of mean, isn't it? Anyway, thank you so much for watching to the end. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It always helps me. And if you haven't subscribed, you might want to if you think that I might be somebody you want to spend some time with. If not, okay, that's fine. But please like it, at least. Alrighty, I'll see you soon in another video. Bye for now.